Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It writes code, drafts contracts, generates art, diagnoses diseases, and optimizes supply chains. Tools built on large language models have shifted from novelty to infrastructure in under 5 years. The acceleration is real. Yet behind the hype cycles and valuation spikes sits a deeper question. What is the actual holy grail of artificial intelligence? Not the next product release, not the next funding round, the real endgame. Let's dissect it properly. Narrow intelligence versus general intelligence. Most systems today, including advanced models from organizations like OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, and Anthropic, are examples of narrow AI. They are extremely capable within defined tasks, text generation, pattern recognition, protein folding, fraud detection, but they do not possess general understanding. The holy grail, often referenced in research circles, is artificial general intelligence, AGI. Systems that can perform any intellectual task a human can across domains with transfer learning and adaptive reasoning. AGI is not just better autocomplete, it is flexible cognition. Intelligence versus imitation. Large models predict the next token. That's mathematically elegant pattern completion. It can appear intelligent because human language encodes reasoning patterns. But prediction is not the same as comprehension. True intelligence involves causal reasoning, long term planning, abstract world modeling, self correction, autonomous goal formation. Today's systems simulate fragments of these abilities. They do not own them. The gap matters. Alignment, the real bottleneck. Suppose AGI becomes technically feasible, a harder problem emerges. Alignment. How do you ensure advanced systems act within human ethical boundaries, interpret instructions as intended, avoid unintended strategic behaviors? Misaligned, super capable systems are not science fiction tropes from movies like The Terminator. They are engineering risk discussions in research labs. The more capable the system, the more critical the control framework. The holy grail is not just intelligence, it is aligned intelligence. Hash economic and strategic implications. If scalable general intelligence becomes real, knowledge work becomes largely automatable, scientific discovery accelerates, military strategy transforms, economic productivity may spike dramatically, entire industries would reconfigure. We are not talking about incremental software disruption, we are talking about civilizational restructuring. A working theory, intelligence as compression. One useful way to think about intelligence is efficient compression of reality. The smarter the system, the better it. Models the world, reduces uncertainty, predicts outcomes under novel conditions. If that framing is correct, the Holy Grail is a system that compresses the complexity of the universe into a model flexible enough to reason across it. That is an extraordinary target, and we are not there yet. The paradox. The paradox is this. We are building increasingly powerful systems while still debating what intelligence fundamentally is. Cognition remains partially mysterious, consciousness remains unresolved, general reasoning remains only partially captured in code. The frontier is advancing faster than the philosophy. The real holy grail. The ultimate goal is not domination, automation, or novelty. It is systems that amplify human capability, tools that expand scientific discovery, infrastructure that augments decision making, intelligence that collaborates rather than replaces. The future of AI will not be defined by raw capability alone. It will be defined by whether we can build systems that are general, reliable, interpretable, aligned. That is the real grail, and it is still under construction.